Hey everyone, welcome to another video, welcome to another daydream. First of all, I just want to wish everyone a happy new year. I hope you guys had a great time, and I want to wish you guys obviously a happy holiday or whatever you celebrate, whether it's Christmas, Hanukkah, whether it's you celebrating the winter equinox, or whether it's the birth of the sun god, or whether if you just want to celebrate getting some time off work and spending that with family. Whatever it is you did, I hope you had a good time. I've been quite busy with personal life stuff and just getting things back in order, to be honest. In the meantime, I've purchased a lot of upgrades and I just haven't had time to put them on, mainly because it's just a bit too cold to be working on the car, and when that ratchet slips and you hit something, it hurts 10 times as much. So I've sort of avoided doing any work. Everything's colder, everything's plastic clips tend to break more, so I just thought I'll wait until summer or at least spring to start getting the modifications back on, ready for the car to be going again in summer. Car is right now put away for winter storage. Basically it's got the cover on. It hasn't been driven in a very long time. I'm talking months, to be honest. And yeah, so all I've been doing actually is doing a lot of reading of the various mods that I'm doing. So this video is just about getting that update sorted for you guys, to let you know what it is that I've been doing, what it is I've bought, what I've done. I have done one thing which I'll get to you in the next video, but basically let me show you guys around. So here you can see this is all the modifications still to go on. Oh, there's more. There's some more there, some more there. So I'll talk you guys through what it is that I have. So EDFC, you guys know all about that. I've done a video of the unboxing and what have you, and I'll do another video of where I've got to it for that. But yeah, so I've got a new suspension system to go on. There it is, all laid out. I've got okay, so some of the stuff, some little maintenance stuff. So this is like a twist to unlock drain plug that I've got, but that again is when the oil change happens. I've got a K&N air filter cleaning kit for the Kenny Bell, which is due. I still need to do all my install on the boost gauge, the fuel pressure gauge, and the oil pressure gauge. So that's that plate that allows me to do that. And that's where that is. I've bought some new headers, so these will allow me to get a bit more, well, these will allow the engine to breathe a bit more. So these are X-Force. I'll do an unboxing video on these as well. So these are the 2015 to 2017 stainless steel 1/7/8 inch into 3-inch exhaust. So this will definitely help with a boosted car. And then obviously if I'm going to put these on, this install is a bit of a nightmare as well, but I'm planning to do it myself. But and then obviously I've got some O2 harness extension kits there, and then with this I'm obviously going to do, I've got some injectors. So I went for FIC 1000s, pretty nice, and a VMP BAP as well. And then I've got various other things there. You'll notice that the springs aren't green anymore because I changed those out. That was a little bit of fun. We'll get back to that in the next video. And then obviously I've got my front and rear what you call them, sway bars or anti-roll bars, depending on where you come from, to do. And I've got the links as well for them, so front and rear. So as you can see, a lot of work to do on the suspension side of things, and just generally all over the car. And I've just been so busy that I haven't had time. I still need to put the AC belt onto the compressor. I've got to do a video for that. So there's quite a bit of content that I have to produce, but I just wanted to give you guys a bit of a rundown of what's going on, what I've been up to, give you guys the season's greeting, let you know I'm still alive. Recently got back into lifting, like pretty seriously. Program training over there on my little whiteboard. Yep, so that's going well as well. So that's taken up a bit of my time as well. So but I've got an invention, so I've got that patent pending. I'm getting some prototypes made. Just so much going on. I'll have to keep you guys informed of all of that. But yeah, hope you guys had a good new year. Have a good new year, and hope you guys had some quality time with your family during the holiday break. See you in the next video.